See, the first impression starts with the event website. A lot of people think that they have to worry about what will happen on the event day, but the way it should all be designed is that when they're coming on the event website, what's their first impression when they're learning about this event? So event website is your front door. Make sure that it looks really nice, it looks modern, and it gives this feeling to attendees that they really have to come and attend this event. The second thing is that you also have to make sure that that event website caters to both new attendees and repeat attendees. New attendees should easily find out why they should attend this event. And for repeat attendees, it's more about what's new this time, because they already know what this conference is all about. What they're really looking for this time around is that what is new this time that they haven't experienced before. Moving on from event website, when you go to the registration form, you want to make sure that you implement smart registration forms. The idea is to autofill information as much as you can. The idea is for those attendees to be able to sign up with as less clicks as possible. So allow them to autofill the information by registering with LinkedIn or through Google, Gmail, and so forth. So for me, event website is your front door and registration forms are your red carpet.